So do you also use LinkedIn to get more leads for your own business? And are you the one who's still adding LinkedIn lead details to your Notion database manually? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add LinkedIn leads to Notion. So like you, I also use LinkedIn leads to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive the new lead from LinkedIn ads, I want to add the lead details into my Notion database. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between LinkedIn ads and Notion. And in order to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's see how we're going to create a connection between LinkedIn and Notion. So to do this, I've opened the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So if you're an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your dashboard. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and then log in inside Pabbly Connect. Once you click on sign up for free, you're going to get 100 of free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Once you come inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard and click on this create workflow. It is going to ask you to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want to try it and test it setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new one. So let's go on the select of the new one, select the folder and enter the workflow name. So I'm going to keep my workflow name as LinkedIn to Notion. You can keep your workflow name according to your own choice. And if you wish to create a new folder, go on this create new folder button and create your own. And after we enter the details, we have to click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this, and trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn. So let's search for LinkedIn and select LinkedIn over here. For the event, we have to select lead notifications and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. And once we click on this connect with LinkedIn, a window something like this will appear in front of you where you have to enter the LinkedIn account credentials. Alright, so I'm going to enter the credentials of my account and click on this button which says sign in. And once we click on this sign in, you're going to see my LinkedIn account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have no option to select the sponsored account, so I can click on this refresh fields and now I have these options. And now you have to select the option and move on further, which is you have to select the sponsored account, move on further and click on this save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response, open your LinkedIn and open the campaign, or you can see the ad you are running. So let's say this is the ad which I'm running, and I want that whenever someone sees my ad on their LinkedIn and they're interested and they're going to click on this apply now and fill in their details, automatically the lead details should be started capturing over here as webhook response and this workflow should get triggered. Alright, so let's do the test submission. I'm going to click on this apply now, and when we are going to click on this apply now, it is asking me for the email address and the phone number. So you must be wondering why is it not asking me for the rest of the details, because my campaign is in draft mode and I'm not running a live campaign. If you're running live ads on your LinkedIn, definitely these are the details which your leads are going to fill in, but I have only the details to fill in this email address and the phone number. So let's fill in these details. For the email address, I'm going to keep it as this, and now for the phone number, I'm going to enter my phone number as this. And after entering these details, I'm going to click on this submit, and once I click on this submit, yes, you can see it is saying information sent to Pabbly. So let's open our workflow. Now Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. We just have to wait for a few seconds till it is capturing the webhook response. So now you can see we have successfully captured the lead details, and now I'm going to add these lead details into my Notion base. So let's close this trigger and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Notion and select it. For the event, I'm going to select create database item and click on this connect. Connect. Now, if you have already created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Notion. And once we click on this connect with Notion, we have to first make sure that a Notion account is already logged in. And if it is not logged in, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in a Notion account, and then only you're going to get the window something like this in order to give the permissions. Alright, so let's click on the select pages and give the permission for a particular page. So I'm going to give the permission only for a particular page, which is this page, LinkedIn lead details. So I'm going to give the permissions for this page, move on further and click on this allow access. And once we click on this allow access, our Notion account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. You can give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now one by one I'm going to add all the details right over here so that we can add the details in our Notion. But we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So that's the reason why we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. Now after mapping all the details, it is asking me for the content. So if you wish, you can definitely add this, but this is not required, and I also don't have the column for the same. So I'm going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new database item. So let's open our Notion, and you're going to see the lead details have been added, be it the first name, last name, email, phone number, or the company name. All the details are added right over here in my Notion database. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the LinkedIn lead details will be added in my Notion database. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.